Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode we got this cool Mismo right here, and basically what this is a replacement foil blade. If you see the one that we got right here is for the Panasonic brand, and this one only works for certain type of shavers. So if you turn in the back right here, they tell you guys that it only works for these models right here. And basically the way how you guys know what your model number is by looking at the back of your shaver. And we see right here, we have the ESL863. So if you check your model number and it matches the one that you guys looked online, especially if you guys get this one, then you guys are fine. But see the one that we got right here, it comes in two different parts. So one is for the outer layer and one for the inner layer. So for those of you guys who don't know which part is which, let me actually take this out to show you guys what I mean. So basically the one that I have right here is from the Panasonic brand, and it's the Arc4. This is one of their older designs. The new one looks a little bit different. It doesn't have the display screen right here. It basically shows like 100%, 80%, 60%, 40%, and etc. But basically, if you see the top part right here is the outer layer of the foil. So basically, when I place this part right here, and the way how you guys do that is by taking this out first. And then once you guys do that, you can basically take out this part right here by pushing on the top part and also on the bottom part as well. So just like this. And it comes out so easily. So you definitely place that part right there. Where for the inner layer right here, these two parts right here, you guys can just take it out really easy like this. And then here is the second one. So once you guys take it out, you can definitely just put in a new one on here. So I'm actually opening the package to show you guys how to do that. So first thing I want to do is to open this up first. Alright, so we just took out the new one right here. Let me actually show you guys how to install it. So basically for this part right here, it's very simple. All you need to do is just push it in. Alright, so we got the first one. Want to do the same thing for the bottom one as well. Alright, so once you guys got that installed, you guys are all done with that part. Where for this part right here is actually very simple as well. You just want to push it in. Make sure it locks in on both sides. Alright, so once you guys got it in and snapped in, then it's all set. And you see this is basically what it looks like for the new one right here. And basically when you guys put this on, it only fits one way. So if you guys are having trouble installing it when you guys push it in, you probably want to turn it the other way. So that way it actually fits perfectly on here. And then once you guys are done, you guys want to close it back up. Just like that. And basically all set to start using it. So we turn on the power right here. And we see right here, we still have this logo or symbol right here telling us that we need to replace it. We can definitely just ignore that since you guys already replaced it right here. It might just be a system error or something, so it might take some time for it to be updated. But you see that is basically how you guys replace the head on here. Very quick and very simple. So now you guys have a brand new foil and blade to use for shaving, which is definitely pretty awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it to get any kind of like electric shaver, electric foil shaver. Whether you guys get like the Arch 2, Arch 3, Arch 4, or Arch 5, that is up to you guys. For me personally, I do prefer going for the Arch 4 or Arch 5. So that way I should give you guys a deeper clean and also give you guys a better clean as well compared to like 2 blades or 3 blades. And definitely one of the coolest thing about using this kind of shaver is the fact that for these foils or blades right here, it can last you guys up to 1 year or 2 years before you guys need to replace it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.